Seventh question. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 km. How much diesel will be required to cover a distance of 1650 km? So, to travel 594 km, the truck requires 108 liters of diesel. So, to cover a distance of 1650 km, how much liter of diesel will be required is the question. So, let us assume the required number of diesel to be X. So for the tabular column, we'll write quantity of diesel in liters and distance covered in kilometer. So to cover a distance of 594 kilometer, we need 108 liters of diesel. So to cover a distance of 1650, how much diesel will be required? So that value we have assumed to be as X. As the distance increases, fuel quantity also increases. So which shows that they are in direct proportion. So for direct proportion, we have x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. The values are 108 divided by 594, which is equal to x divided by 1650. So from here, x value is equal to cross multiply 108 into 1650 divided by 594. So we can cancel 108 and 594 using 9 tables. We'll get 12, and here you will get 66, and 1650 and 66 you can cancel using 11 table. So you will get 150 and 6 here. Then you can cancel 12 and 6 and you will get 2. So x value is equal to 2 multiplied by 150. So x is equal to 300. Therefore, the required diesel is 300 liters. Eighth question. If the cost of a dozen soaps is rupees 396, what will be the cost of 35 such soaps? So here they have not given the value of one single soap. They have given the value for dozen soap, which means 12 soap cost rupees 396. You need to find the cost for 35 soaps. So first find the cost for one soap. So cost of one soap is equal to, just divide 396 by 12, you will get 33. So the cost of one soap is rupees 33. So now you need to find the value of cost of 35 such soaps. So cost of 35 soaps is equal to, multiply rupees 33 and 35. So when you multiply, you will get 1155. Therefore, cost of 35 soaps is rupees 1155. Ninth question. In a school, there are 7 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. How long each period is if the school has 9 periods a day, assuming the number of hours to be the same? So they are saying in a school there are 7 periods and each period consists of 45 minutes. So instead of 7 periods, if you have 9 periods, what will be the time duration of each period? So we'll assume the duration of each period to be x. So for the tabular column, we'll write number of periods and then duration of period in minutes. So there are total 7 periods and each is having a duration of 45 minutes. So instead of 7, if you have 9 periods, what will be the duration of that period? So we have assumed that value to be x. And if we see, as the number of periods increases, the duration decreases. So therefore, here the duration decreases because we have assumed the number of hours to be same. They are in inverse proportion. And for inverse proportion, we have x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Substitute the values. 7 into 45 is equal to 9 into x. So from this, x value is equal to 7 into 45 divided by 9. You can cancel 9 and 45, you get 5. Next step, 7 multiplied by 5. So x value is 35. Therefore, duration of each period is 35 minutes.